How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with Alan and we're going to be working on his Acura CL Type S and we're going to be installing some new sway bars.
Alright guys, so it's Alan here. I've been away for a while, I know, but back with the CL, and I just got something, I did something very stupid, but definitely worth it, alright? So I went ahead and got I got a cat delete, right? So the catalytic converter is gone and the car sounds pretty damn great. So I mean, I just drove the car to Houston and back from SoCal. So I mean, that was about 3,500 miles, and I mean, the thing didn't even flinch. So I'm really impressed with that. I mean, like, for an automatic, this thing has held up for a really long time. I've been tracking it too. So I'm planning on, like, once the automatic goes out on this thing, I'll definitely get the 6-speed. I think it'll be worth it. It'll be an amazing daily driver, and it performs well on the track. So the 6-speed, I'm pretty sure, does even better on track. So yeah, I went ahead and got that cat delete done. I'm going to the track on the 20th with Theo's dad. He'll be taking his Evora. I'll be bringing the CL. Basically, we're gonna install some sway bars. I have the Moog end links along with the cat delete, sway bars, and I mean, this thing should be hauling on the track. So my current tires are these Hankook Ventus V2s, and they've held up pretty well. I just got them rotated like last week. So those back there are pretty much done. They're about to hit their replacement tread life, right? The tread's pretty low on it. These are looking pretty good. They still have a lot of life left on them. I'd say about maybe 4 to 5 track days left, and you know, lots of daily driving. They're 500 tread wear tires. So I've been educating myself a lot on tires. And I think the next move for the CL would be either 360, 340, or 300 tread wear tires. I actually have 3 tires lined up for replacement already. I'd rather transition from 500 to 300 than 200. And the 300s will last me a little longer while I adjust to the car as well. So yeah, I mean, the 360 tread wear tires would be BF Goodrich's, and the 340, I believe, were some Nittos. And then the 300 tread wear tires were Yokohama's. I've also been thinking about starting my own channel. So, I mean, just posting videos, like casual videos of the CL when I take it to the track, and like any updates I have on it when I do small maintenance, like draining the catch can, all that stuff. So, yeah, I mean, I think it'd be cool. I don't see anyone like tracking the CL a lot. There's a guy I know, H2O mechanic, has some pretty cool videos of his CL. He's doing like endurance racing or something like that, and the car does pretty well. But I mean, I'm doing just more casual track stuff. So yeah, I wanted to start posting some videos, you know, be at Streets of Willow or Chuckwalla, and post some updates, and you guys can see what it's like tracking this thing. And what's even funnier is that it's an automatic too. So yeah, there's that. You guys can see how long it takes until my transmission grenades on me. But after that, you know, I'll get the 6-speed and keep doing it. So yeah, let me know, leave a comment on Theo's video, and I'll see what happens. I'll have him post a link to my channel or something like that.
All right, we're gonna go for a little cold start on Alan's car with the new cat delete. Go for it. Oh yeah, that's quite a bit louder.
Oh yeah, dude.
Way more bassy.
Once it gets up higher up in the RPMs is like when you can really tell it sounds freaking great. I'm in the CL right now. Yeah, the sway bar is free, so it's pretty simple. So I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do them, but there it is. Got the stock sway bar out. Notice this bushing was kind of busted, so you know, they're just cracking and stuff. So keep an eye on your sway bar bushings. Replace them if they need to be. So this is the Pro kit. This is the front and rear sway bar kit, and I also got the Moog end links, front and rear. So there you go. So I got this on Amazon. It was about like 400 bucks, but pretty cool. Comes with gloves. I don't know if they're driving gloves or mechanics gloves, but I'm gonna use them as driving gloves. Right? So I'm gonna use those when I go to the track. Got hardware kit, got our bushings. Looks like for the front ones, yeah. So this is the front hardware kit. You reuse the brackets, yeah, sway bar brackets, the bushing brackets for the front. Rear hardware kit, they give you new brackets, right, and the grease for the polyurethane bushings. And here it is. This is the front sway bar. So I mean, this thing is beefy, man. It's way heavier. I don't know. I can't tell if this thing is solid or not, or if it's hollow, but I think it's hollow inside, you know. But yeah, this thing is way heavier. This is definitely a solid piece of metal right here. So I know for sure that these two are the same size, right? A lot of people say there's no difference in if you swap out the front, but yeah, there's a difference, man, because these sway bars, they actually have spring rates on them. They have spring rates, so this one's definitely going to be a lot stiffer than the factory one, and it's also solid. So yeah, it'll help handling a lot. So these are the end links. I got all these from Rock Auto. I think it was about like 70 bucks or something. I've read on forums too, and someone commented on one of the videos too that the Moog end links are like a big improvement over the stock ones. So this would be the front left. So yeah, these are pretty cool, man. They're a lot thicker than the OEM ones, it looks like. Oh yeah, way beefier. And they have little grease fittings on them too. Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, that's way thicker.
These are quality.
It's not even close.
You even have grease fittings too, man. So, I mean, look at that. That's
yeah.
insane, dude. Big improvements gonna be made here, you know, in handling. Yeah, guys. If you're considering getting Moog end links, do it. I'm getting these end links bolted in. Here's what the sway bar looks like when it's mounted up. And these Moog end links are a bit different from the OEM ones. So the OEM ones, with the nut right here in the middle, you'd stick I think it was a 4.5 millimeter like Allen wrench, and then you would you unscrew it like that. You stick a wrench, 14 millimeter wrench over this, and you know, you undo it with the Allen wrench. So with this one, this is a 15 millimeter bolt, and right here there's an 18 millimeter. Stick the wrench in there, right, and then you can tighten it from this side with the 15 millimeter. Kind of a janky angle, sorry, but yeah, you guys get the idea. So yeah, you do that for all the end links, and then it'll be the same for the rear.
All right, so we got the new sway bar in, and we bolted in the brackets for it, and now we're just tightening down the end links. So we have the new sway bars, the new brackets, the new end links, and everything's just getting tightened down, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the rear.
We're gonna go ahead and do the rear sway bar now. This one looks a bit easier. I read that you might have to drop the exhaust a bit here, but
these are smaller than 14, by the way.
Oh, they are, okay. But I don't think we'll need to, honestly. I think we can like maneuver it and get it out. We'll work on getting the brackets off and then get the end links off, and then we should be good to go from there. So this would be a good time to show you guys the TL Type S stainless steel lines. So I bought the front and rear kit, and look, it bolts right up to the CL. So I mean, even the mounting bracket here is the same, and it just goes straight up there, and yeah, bolts right up to the caliper. Everything looks good. All right, guys, so rear sway bar is out. There it is. It's getting a bit late, so Theo's gonna head out. I'll just finish this up. You know, all I gotta do is get these end links tightened up, brackets torqued down, and I should be good to go. I gotta retighten the front because I got the wrong torque specs, so they just need to be a little bit tighter, and that'll be it. So this is the old sway bar right here. The rear one, absolutely tiny. I mean, this thing is so small, man. Compared to the new one, you can't really tell on the video, but yeah, this thing is way thicker. Probably solid too. This thing seems to be hollow. Not sure, but glad this thing's out. Let's bring it over here. Overall, it was a pretty easy install. Not too bad. So for another video, Theo and I will probably be installing the headers on my car, and Theo will be around to help, and we can record get some good footage. But yeah, that's what it's looking like so far. Header install up next, and some tiny little maintenance items. Thanks for watching, guys.